Hello, good afternoon Tribuners. Welcome back with me Kusnul Asyaifah in Indonesia News of Tribun Lampung. We will present you an updating and interesting information from every place in Indonesia. And here the complete news. The first news is portrait of Bharada E's house in Manado. The shooting case of Brigadier Yosua Hutabarat also attracted Bharada E, both of whom were this Inspector General Ferdy Sambo. Bharada E was named in the perpetrators the shooting of Brigadier Yosua Hutabarat and the resident in Inspector General Ferdy Sambo some time ago. His pictures was got after by the public after the case the death of the Brigadier Yosua Hutabarat emerged. The risk has scheduled the summons of full Ferdy Sambo all days today, Tuesday, 26 July 2022. Among them, Bharada E, who is come with the escape from the National Police headquarters. Bharada E is currently still undergoing examination on Kuningan's office. Regarding the status Bharada in the Avis case of the Brigadier Yosua Hutabarat, he is still under investigation. Previously had considered examination 5 collections of the Bharada E Brigadier Yosua Hutabarat. Chairman Ahmad Taufan Danamik told reporter on the Tuesday afternoon that the 5 artifacts were immediately placed in the separate room for the examination. It was previously reported that the Combs pledged request information from all addicts to campus, ideal from the instance head of the Propam Police Division, Inspector General Ferdy Sambo regarding on the death of the Brigadier J on the Tuesday in the morning. The process of Re-Autopsying Brigadier J's body to make the case is clear. The body police Brigadier Nofriansyah Yosua Hutabarat or Brigadier J arrived at the Sungai Bahar Hospital Muaro Jambi on the Wednesday. Arriving the margin of the Sungai Bahar Hospital, Brigadier J's body was immediately removed a number of police officers. The convoy was attacked the margin for autopsying. The head of the Police Relations Division of the National Police, Inspector General Police Dedi Supriyanto, also the access subsequent already for the examination. So, Dedi said the shooting case against Brigadier J's official host as a non-active head of Propam Police Division Inspector General of Police Ferdy Sambo can be better clear. The was completed by a Dedi when the autopsy process of Brigadier J's body was about the Beijing body Sungai Bahar Hospital on the Jambi. He said that today, we prayed together that the examination activity can run smoothly and account with this clear case. They also said that this witnessing of the tomb or examination re-autopsy of the Brigadier J, we are also monitoring directly from the external party, namely Commerceport and Paris. He said the surveillance was crying up, so the process could be independent and could not interest by any party. The examination process was surfaced directly by the Commerce and he was confident the purse was so apparently and bluntly could not be enforced by the all parties. Since a panel surveillance for the complex were so present, he also independent and impartial. This process said that Dedi as making scientific crime investigation assault, carried out by the number of forensic doctors for the internal extra in the national police. The explanation was carried out by the team exported portable document format who had already included assessment the doctor will the prefer autopsy process from the various hospitals and universities. The next news is motorcycle thief charged by the resident in the Kuningan. One of the two people suspected of being the perpetrators of the motorbike left on both of being judged by the Crown Rules in the Bangka Kuningan died. Previously, the video of beating of the two motorcycle thieves and the causes of stir among netizens in the Kuningan until the video went viral. The latest information as a result of being judged was the discovery of one perpetrator's breathing. His last the judge's hospital receiving medical treatment. The information just now showing the motorcycle was by the motorbike. Multiple video circulating said he died at the Linggajati Hospital. Well, you said that the video, the previous late action of turned two people were still siblings, a resident domiciled in Artis Juna district, Cirebon Regency. The two motorcycle thieves of who battered and battered up. There is not a solid sibling relationship, there is brother of information that death of occurred to the young brother of young suffered internal injuries. Previously, getting angry with the resident until the news of this that occurred, what he said based on the data from the local community. The action the two siblings took a good, that is what the sibling there is a dozen times. We are not established direct in information that there is just died just as now, but we are very confirmed about their action. Superly and noticed Linggajati Hospital, namely Hartati. He confirmed that the patients died in receiving medical treatment. The next news is Kiai soon is Sumenep rapes 11 years old girl. Although the Kiai soon is Jombang become the news because of the abuse case, this time the Kiai soon is Sumenep that did these things. It is a man with the initial ZT who has the heart to rape an undertreated girl in the Sumenep Regency, Madura, East Java. It is said that 46 years old ZT is the son of Kiai who was hot in Jambi village, LAMPUNG district, Sumenep Regency. The victim is an 11 years old girl. Let us call her Mawar. The cause of the forces assault occurred on the Monday. At the time of the incident, the perpetrators and the victim who died in each other happened to meet in the Raya Pakandarut Barat, Sumenep Regency. Ziti saw a Mawar crossing the road that called her. The perpetrators took the victim away by the car to his house. After finding his love, the perpetrators left in the Mawar alone in the bedroom. The victim finally managed to escape after coming out of the bedroom window. He then has scooped out by the local resident, seeing the victim crying resident questioning Mawar until the relief. The resident of the Badang forwarded the report in the police. The head of the Semarang Police Sub-Public Relations Section, Adjutant Commissioner of the Police Brigadier J. He said that the modus operandi the perpetrator was to carry out their action by surcharging the victim with the money. Ziti initially gave him 50,000 rupiah when we first met, and If we want, interesting will be added 100,000 rupiah. Widyarti continued to explain. His body managed to secure the perpetrators' home. A number of the its files were also seized with the perpetrators, starting from the victim close to the fire package of the strong drugs. The next news is motorcyclists involved in the conflict with the LPG truck. Acting directly of the surgeon Setason Region General Hospital with Bangka Doctor Rudi Faizul said a sedated victim, namely Cesar Fridayat, was treated at the hospital. However, due to a decrease in the consultation, Cesar Fridayat, 90 years old, was referred to the Bangka Belitung Island Province General Hospital. It is known the Yamaha Aerox its motorcycle rider, namely Cesar Fridayat and Rahmat Relaksana, a resident of the Palembang, South Sumatra, colliding with the LPG tanker truck belonging to the Pertamina. Based on the video circulation, Cesar Fridayat got under LPG tanker truck and his leg was run over by the ring rail wheel. Meanwhile, Rahmat Relaksana was not injured. In incident, Cesar Fridayat was arrested to the Sejiran Setason Regional General Hospital to receive intensive treatment due to the serious injury to his leg. According to him, the weak leg incident served a corner Palangan village, Simati district, where caused by the Pertamina truck tire. Positious victim under the truck faces a report. Cesar Fridayat, a resident of the Palembang City, South Sumatra Province, and the freight were involved in the incident with the Pertamina LPG tanker truck, a southbound Palangan village, Simpang Terdip district, West Bangka, on the Thursday. The next news is search for the Italy resident for the Soblak Nudukan is missing. The search for a missing person by the Joint Search and Rescue Team is just looking for the Italy Lapa Upa, 42 years old, a resident of Sombangkis, West Nudukan Village, North Kalimantan. He was reported missing since Friday afternoon. It was started the search operation and completed or closes on the Monday afternoon. This was completed by the head of the search and rescue of the Tarakan Basar of the Shahril. He was to say joint search and rescue operation and have a crane of such the first day on the Sungai Rahayu at the last position. Point heard yet is no result. The element involved were Nudukan Search and Rescue Post Rescue Team, the Nudukan Regional Disaster Management Agency, PTSLA, the Regional Police Mobile Brigade of the Kalimantan, as well family the surrounding community. So, said Shahril yesterday afternoon, he body according to the with community leaders and fighting will adhere to the search and rescue reporting to the police chronology the deeper settlement La Upa on a Friday in the morning. La Upa left home, moved to finishing and Rahayu River. However, until the sunset, La Upa did not return home. Worried, the family, local and resident went to La Upa on the Rahayu River. When a reverse Rahayu River, there is only La Upa motorbike, shoes and a torn towler in the river bank. Until now, it is the suspect that La Upa was lost the crocodile in the Rahayu River. And the last news is, victim of odong-odong accident hit by train in the Serang. The following is a story of the family in a victim in train accident hitting odong-odong in the Tiplos village, Seribu village, Kuningan district, Serang Regency on the Tuesday. In the incident, 9 people died and several other passengers were injured. The victim who died were resident one village in Walatangka district, Serang city. G.Al. 27 years old, the driver of the odong-odong, a resident of the Karangila, Serang Regency, received that the back on his odong-odong was badly damaged by the train. The driver in odong-odong being tried the police said for further investigation. The victim, who died, evacuated the Regional General Hospital, Dr. Derajat Prawinegara, Serang. Meanwhile, the injured were evacuated to the Puskes in the Harris Hospital. Summarized by the TRIBUN.com, this third story from the victim family regarding the incident. Due to the incident, as a parent, he admitted that he was traumatized and worried that the child would be ride odong-odong again. Well, I think all the news for today with me, Kustul Ashaifa. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.